Sorry, lady, I'm taking that bag. Move! Move!
Come on, go straight. Don't miss. Go. Okay, one more word. I can do this. Travel. Traveler. Trip. Let me say that again. Espresso. Latte. Foam. These words are hard. Focus, Min. Just one page at a time.
Easy target. She doesn't even notice.
Mom, watch this. My footwork is getting better.
It sure is, sweetie. Keep going. I can see that. Just don't kick the ball too hard here.
Okay, Mom. Don't worry, Mom. I'm careful.
Sorry, lady, I'm taking that bag. Move! Move!
Hey! My bag! Stop! Stop! Somebody help me!
Out of the way! Move! Nobody touch me!
No! No! My wallet is in there! Mom, did you see that? He stole her bag. I have to do something.
Tom, be careful. Don't run after him. Think first.
I won't get close. I just need one shot. Come on, go straight. Don't miss. Go.
What was that? What was that? My leg! Ah! Damn it! No, no, no. Get up! I can't fall here.
Serve you right. The police will come and catch you soon. You got it back? Really? Oh my gosh, thank you.
Police! Don't move! Stay where you are! I didn't do anything! Let me go!
Is everything here?
Yes, they are. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I don't know how to thank you.
You were brave, Tom. But I'm glad you're safe.
I just wanted to help. She looked really scared. Please let me thank you properly. Can I buy you some coffee?
That's so kind of you. I'm Emma, and this is Tom, my son.
I'm Min. I'm from Korea. There's a coffee shop right there. Please come with me.
That's very kind of you. But maybe we will think about it for a while.
Can we really go in? Maybe just for a little bit? I could go for a snack.
Okay, let's come in a bit.
Wow, this smells amazing. I love this place already. It smells so good in here. I suddenly feel calm.
Welcome in. You can take that table by the window.
Take your time, dear. You're safe now.
Oh no. There are so many words here. I just know some of them.
Don't worry. Coffee menus can look confusing.
A cappuccino has milk too, but it has more foam on top.
Strong and small. Okay, I get that.
A latte has more milk, so the taste is softer.
More milk means softer taste. Okay.
It sounds fast, but it's really not hard.
I'm not thinking about coffee. I'm thinking about cake.
Let's order drinks first. Then we'll talk about cake.
He's making me feel less nervous. I think I can relax now.
Just speak slowly. Start with the drink, then the size.
Drink, size, sugar, milk. Got it.
It smells amazing in here.
I know, I can't wait for my latte.
Their pastries are incredible too.
Okay, it's my turn. I might be nervous, but I'll try.
Hi there, what can I get started for you today? Hot or iced? And what size?
Okay. Give me 1 second, please. I'm still choosing.
No problem at all. Take your time. I'm here when you're ready.
Hold on, everyone. I think I know what's to do. Big muffin. The biggest one. Come on, Min. You know you want to. Tom, stop. You're making this harder. I almost laughed out loud.
Looks like you've got some strong advice back there.
So, should I add the muffin?
Tom, let her order in peace. Sit down.
I'd like 1 iced latte, please. Medium size. Less ice and less sugar.
Great choice. What kind of milk would you like? Regular milk is fine.
Regular milk is good.
Thank you.
And I'd also like 1 hot black coffee.
Perfect. Anything else? Then I'll get you checked out.
And 1 hot chocolate for him. Also, 1 muffin.
How do you want to pay?
By card, please. Here come the drinks and a muffin. Thank you for saving my day.
It's our pleasure.